Hello and welcome to the Echo tutorial. Echo is RootSecure's social engineering simulation tool to help you quantify the people factor in your cyber risk assessment. First, let's navigate to the Echo area in the RootSecure dashboard. Echo has been specially designed to make running sophisticated phishing simulation simple, without compromising flexibility. By default, you will be prompted to create your first campaign. This will start the Echo wizard, which will walk you through the process of running a successful phishing simulation. By default, Echo is set up to run a campaign with close to zero customization, but you can increase the effectiveness of the campaign by customizing areas of the simulation. RootSecure's Echo will assign a default name for the campaign, which will make it unique. You can rename this to something more friendly or leave it as the default. Next, you set the date range you wish the campaign to run. This means if you run a campaign over 7 days, you will not be done measuring if people failed the simulation until the end of the campaign. For this reason, we set the default to 24 hours, which is typically enough of a measurement window, but you can set to any range. Now comes one of the most important components to a successful phishing simulation, the email content. We provide several templates you can use which have been successful in simulations in the past. You can also build your own templates with our web editor, or you can import an email from your computer to replicate the look and feel. Echo will replace the links to direct to the phishing simulation landing pages. The content you choose should be convincing, as the goal of Echo is to measure real-world responses to phishing attacks. Next, you will select a sending profile. This is the mail server to send from. RootSecure's Echo has multiple to choose from that align with the email templates from above, but you can also add your own mail server. It's also important you test this connection and verify the messages do not get blocked by a spam filter. The test is for your team, not your spam filter. In the next step, you will set up a target group. This is the list of individuals you wish to include in the simulation. All the users here will receive the email message you selected from the server you selected. By default, the group is set to your RootSecure users. Create a new group and add users manually by first and last names. Email address is required, and if desired for reporting purposes, a department or position in the company. The last step for your campaign is to select the landing page content. This is the page your users will see when they click and ultimately fail the phishing simulation. There are several options to choose from, including training materials, one-page best practices, and also redirect to other sites for more information, or possibly an internal learning management system for more in-depth training. You can also build your own landing page or replicate other pages by directing Echo to the page you want to copy. You also have the ability to collect information about your phishing target if they open the landing page. This helps illustrate what an attacker knows about your user if they fall victim to a phishing simulation. Once these are all set, you can run a test to ensure everything is working as expected, and then run the campaign. Once the campaign is running, you will have a new dashboard in the Echo overview area, which allows you to monitor the details of the simulation. The number of opens, clicks, or errors will be visible here. At this point, we will start calculating your people risk score, which is based on the number of users successfully phished in the campaigns you run. You can open details for the current or historic campaigns, and if you chose to collect additional information, it will be available here as well. This concludes the RootSecure Echo tutorial.